A question we keep getting is, do Forchines only make hex head bolts? Absolutely not. A Forchine's only limitation is your imagination. Let's look at how to Forchine a socket head screw. And there you have it, a complete grade 5 titanium socket head screw made in just 56 seconds. Let's go back and look at the forging process in more detail. The special thing about this particular program is that we form the hex drive at the same time as we form the socket head. This eliminates the need for a broaching pass. You can see how the heated titanium expands to fill the gap in the collet while the hex bit forms the drive. Though not glowing, the metal is still extremely hot, making it easier to cut. This ring on the head is our way of marking the part as grade 5 titanium. We can make this grade 5 socket head screw in just 56 seconds. Can your factory do that? It can with Forchining. Give Allied Titanium a call today to see if Forchining is right for you.